Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to draw a circle inside a square in 2-point perspective. Start with the horizon line and mark the center. Draw a center line that's perpendicular to the horizon. Mark 4 inches down and connect this point to the vanishing points. Mark 1.5 inches down and connect this point to the vanishing lines. Find the center of the square by drawing a line from one corner to the other. Extend a line from the vanishing point through the center of the square. Mark the points of intersection. Connect the points with curved lines to create a circle inside of the square. Notice how the center of the square is closer to the rear of the ellipse and further away from the front of the ellipse. To help practice this, draw a square in 2D using the width of the ruler to create even spacing. Mark the points of intersection from the center lines. Connect the points to create a circle inside the square. Next, I will draw an oval in 2D to show you that the center is equally spaced on both sides. When drawing an ellipse, the center is closer to one side and further away from the other side. You can extend straight lines from this point to draw a bicycle wheel in perspective. Now I will draw a panel using the vanishing points. Draw vertical lines parallel to the center line. Outline the panel. Connect the panel to the vanishing points. Draw the cross section from corner to corner to find the center of the panel. Slide your ruler over from the center line to draw a new center line for your panel. Extend a line from the vanishing point through the center of the panel. Mark the points of intersection and connect them with curves to create an ellipse. Next, I will draw a hidden panel behind this, staying inside the new vanishing lines. Find the center of the panel by using the cross sections. Remember that the vertical cross section is parallel to the center line. Extend your ruler from the vanishing point through the center point. Mark the points of intersection. Connect the points with curves to create an ellipse. Next, I will create a panel above the horizon. Send lines upward from the bottom ellipse and the square holding it, staying parallel to the center line. Mark the outer square intersection points. Extend lines from the vanishing point through your points of intersection. Find the center of this panel using the cross sections. Extend lines from the vanishing point through the center of your panel. Mark the points of intersection. Connect the points with curves to create an ellipse. Outline your cylinder. This is one way to draw a cylinder using ellipses formed from squares in perspective. Thanks for drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.